I'm getting used to getting old, but where's my ambition? Days of omission, I feel broken down inside because my words seem to be trite, adding to the overwhelming. Always a question of truth, your truths. They question my efficiency, impact. The words you can't hear, shocking. The words I can't write. Recycled words don't justify. None of these words suffice. Searching for the sharp words to drive the message in. Put the last word down, then I begin to question the truth, your truths. They question my efficiency, impact. The words you can't hear, shocking. The words I can't write. I can't
Don't call me white. Don't call me white. Don't call me white. Don't call me white. The connotations where my nerves been. Could it be some magic generating the mess we're in? I understand that language breeds stereotype, but what's the explanation for the malice, for the spite? Don't call me white. Don't call me white. Don't call me white. Don't call me white. I wasn't brought here, I was born. Circumcised, Herodic, allegiance sworn. Doesn't mean I have to take
have the time to listen to me whine about nothing and everything all at once. I am one of those melodramatic fools, neurotic to the bone, no doubt about it. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid? Am I just up? I went to a shrink to analyze my dreams. She says it's lack of sex that's bringing me down. I went to a whore. He said my life's a bore. Choke with my wife cause it's bringing her down. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid? Grasping to control, so I better hold on. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid? Am I just wow.